Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. Of course, you can use mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi so you can be sure that you will avoid some charges due to downloading and accessing the limit. So after that, let's enter the Play Store. And another disclaimer, if you do not have your Google account currently added to the device, you will have to either do it right now, so log in, or sign up, so create a new account. Without it, you will not be able to use anything from the Google Play Store. If you'd like to check how to add your Google account to your device, simply check our tutorial about it. I've just recorded it. Alright, so let's start with opening this circle, kind of, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and basically this is the list of all apps which are currently installed on the device, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available to check what can actually be updated. If you want, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just find those which you'd like to update. So in my case, it will be Google Chrome, maybe Google Maps, and the Gmail. So let's mark it, and after that, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically, you do not have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to be here. You can just turn it off and do whatever you want. Everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.